So next you can see the y parameters. The other name for y parameter is short circuit admittance parameter. So how you can write the equation? So here I1, I2 are the dependent variables. So dependent variables inga eludano. Independent variables are V1, V2. Okay, so while you are writing equation y1, 1, y1, 2. Okay, y2, 1. Then y2, 2. That is first row, first column, first row, second column, second row, first column, second row, second column. Okay, so we are write the equation, and they are written in the form of the matrix. That is independent, I1, I2 are the dependent variables, and V1, V2 are the independent variables. Okay, so now you want to find the values of y11, that is the admittance parameter. So in Z parameters we make the output port to open circuited. Then output port input port to open circuit பண்ணும். So if output port is that is what does it means? என்ன பண்றோம்னா independent variables தான் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்னா open that is independent. Here we are considering the independent variable v1 v2. So எது independent variable இருக்கோ அதுதான் 0 ஆகும். Okay, so here v1 v2 are 0. So first of all we are taking output port to short circuit, that is v2 equal to 0. That is output port is short circuited. When output port is short circuited, what is the value? Output port short circuited, v2 is 0. When v2 is 0, what is the value? I1 is equal to y11 v1. So we got the value v1, y11 is I1 by v1 at v2 equal to 0. So it is the admittance. That is the inverse of impedance value, I by v. And next, v2 equal to 0. Another one parameter is this one. Then y12, we got the value, when v1 equal to 0, that is input port is short circuited, means what we will get, v1 0 varkumbodhu enna kedaikum, y12 kedaikum. y1 is I1 by v2. Next, v2 0, then y21 is I2 by v1. Then here v1 equal to 0 means, then if you substitute v1 equal to 0 in this equation, then you got y22 value, because we need the admittance parameter y11, that is known as the short circuit input admittance, or other name for input admittance is driving point admittance. Okay, short circuit driving point admittance. Next, y12 is short circuit forward transfer point admittance. Okay, so short circuit nu yan solrona, v1 v2 0 பண்றோம்னா that is short circuit. I1 I2 current நம்ம 0 பண்றோம்னா that is the open circuited. Okay, so here v1 voltages are making to 0, so it is short circuited. If you are making the current 0 means then it is open circuited. Okay, so y21 is short circuit reverse transfer point admittance. Okay, so it is forward point admittance and it is a transfer point admittance. And next, y22 is short circuit output admittance. Okay, y22 is short circuit output admittance. So now you want to draw the equivalent circuit. So இங்கே என்ன பண்ணுறோம், நம்ம parallel draw பண்ணுறோம் y11 in admittance value. In previously we had drawn in series. Okay, so here it is drawn in parallel. So y11 is parallel to the voltage source, then y12 v2. Here the voltage source is y21 v1. Okay, that is இங்கே உள்ள voltage source எழுதுன v1. Then y22 value. So here what is the condition for symmetry? Same thing, that is y11 equal to y22. This is the same condition for Z parameter also. And condition for reciprocity is y12 equal to y21. Next, application. We're coming to the application. So in Z network we represent in T. Okay, T network, T section representation in Z parameter. In Y parameter it is represented by pi section. Okay, so here you want to find, so this value is y1, y2, y3. You want to find the value of this y1, y2, y3 value. Okay, so first of all, what is y11? We know I1 by v1 when v2 equal to 0. Okay, so y11 value is, that is y11 value is y1 plus y2. Okay, y11 value another y1 plus y2. Okay, and then this is y11, then y12 and y21 is minus y2 value. Okay, minus எப்படி இது வந்துச்சு, because I1 value is, what is I1 value? Here if you see this value, I1 value is y11 into, from this value I1 is y11 into v1. Okay, y11 into v1. Okay, so what is y11? Y11 you know as y1 plus y2. So y11 is the input admittance, that is y1 plus y2. Y22 is the output admittance, that is y3 plus y2. Then y12 and y2 are the short circuit, that is in the place la irukra value. So both are இது எப்படி இருக்கும், நமக்கு opposite direction ல வரும். So minus y2 value வரும். Okay, so pi section representation. So the value is y12 and y21 value is minus y2 value. Y22 is y2 plus y3. So from this, if you need to find I1 means y12 v2, y12 value is minus y2. Okay, so from this we get y1 value is y1 is equal to y11 minus y2. Okay, y11 minus y2. So what is y2 value? y12 or y21. Okay, minus y12 or y21. Okay, so write that value. So y2 is minus, so you want to study this formulas. Okay, that is the pi section representation network formula. So z parameter la t section representation பார்த்தோம். Y parameters, that is in admittance parameter, you want to study the pi section representation formula. It will be useful for problems.